welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda. I love saying things. I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. I'm wearing my spectacles, so you know what that means. I got some reading to do. And it's small print. Even though I printed it myself, I had no idea how small the print would be, but that's okay. Because I'm going to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. Please, please. Thank you, thank you. And today, I've got a TEMU haul. Look at this. It's a big old bag of TEMU. And I only spent like $37 total. And I'm excited to get in here. I did print out the item list so I would know the prices. So I wouldn't just be guessing. You know, it's always nice to know exactly what's up. I like to know exactly how much I spent. Now this first thing is for a friend of mine's birthday coming up in April. I know it's January, but this is for April. And when I saw it, I had to get it because she's obsessed with fluffy cows. And this is a fluffy cow. I'm not going to take him out of the bag because I want to keep him nice and pristine, and I have cats and they might want to rub all over him. But it's a little fluffy cow, like one of those Scottish cows. Oh, goodness. Talking about a cat. Louie, what are you doing? Hopping in my video. Acting like you're the man. And then I also have, I will take this out of the package. It's hard to see. Hi, Louie. It's a little tiny stuffed cat, and it's also for her. And it's got a little tail because she loves one of my black cats. Not this one. This is Louie. She loves the other one, who is Jessie. And, oh, the big cow is... That would be good if I told you. That's why I printed this out. The stuffed cat is $1.79, and the Highland cow is $7.19. And that's the most I spent on anything in this bag. Next up is a set of role-playing dice. And my husband, and sometimes I play, you know, Dungeons and Dragons and other games. And dice for these games can get really pricey. And I got this beautiful set of purple and blue dice. And it's different, it's glittery. And it was $2.69. And usually they can be like $10 or $12 for just some plastic dice. So that's pretty cool. And those are the Nebula Twinkle Polyhedron 7-piece dice set. So that's really funky, fresh, and cool. $2.79. Then I got another set of dice. And these are purple and green. And these are they're another set of dice, and they were $2.99. But you can see they're purple and green. Very inexpensive. Now, this is something, okay, this is something really cool, and it is a set of tarot cards. I'm going to take the plastic off so I can show you what they look like. These might be the affirmation cards. Because I got a set of tarot cards and I got a set of like affirmation cards. Let me see what I have here. These are the self-awareness, which is the same as like affirmation kind of thing. All right, I know this plastic part sucks in the video, and this is what they are. I'm not going to open the whole deck because it's a gift for someone. And it says, self-awareness is a beautiful thing. Your soul knows what you want and has the map to get there. If you only ask your soul the right questions, openly listen, and take soul-driven inspiration actions, you can and will transform your life forever. And these are $4.49, and I think they're going to be fantastic. Next, I have a game called Exploding Kittens. And this can be a very expensive game, but they had it on TEMU for, what is it? Where is it? Oh, card game. It's $5.79, and this is usually like a $20 game, around about. And it's a card game. I haven't played it before, but it's a game that my husband and I have talked about getting before. And you know, we just don't have a bunch of extra money to spend on games. But Exploding Kittens is good for ages 7 and up, 2 to 5 players. And this is a card game for people who are into kittens and explosions and laser beams. And so that's going to be really exciting to see what this card game is like. It's a highly strategic kitty-powered version of Russian roulette. Players draw cards until someone draws an exploding kitten, at which point they explode and are dead. They are out of the game unless the player has a diffuse card, which can diffuse the kitten using things like laser pointers, belly rubs, and catnip sandwiches. All the other cards in the deck are used to move, mitigate, or avoid exploding kittens. That sounds like a lot of fun. And then here are the other tarot cards. These are tarot cards, not self-affirmation cards. I just hate that it takes a second to get them out of the plastic. And it's got these warning stickers on the plastic to not use this bag as a toy. And I don't think so. And this is what the deck looks like. It's very Mark Ryden inspired. It looks all like Mark Ryden stuff. And he is a very famous surrealist artist. And I will open this because I want to. Oh, they're beautiful. These are totally like Mark Ryden ripoff. These are totally Mark Ryden ripoff cards. Oh my gosh. These look exactly like Mark Ryden pictures. This is crazy. Mark Ryden is one of my favorite surrealistic people. And very interesting. Very interesting. And there's a little booklet in there. So, very cool. And these were $3.99. Now I'm down to some pins. Make sure that's it. And the pins are on the other side here. This is a pin that says The Misfits, and that's a band that I like. And that was like $1. It was 71 cents. 71 cents. And then I got one that's a Wheel of Fortune tarot card. And that was $1.49. And then I got a fox pin. It's a little fox. 89 cents. And then a friend of mine is a nurse, and she's really, really into like organs and important things like that. So here is a set of pins, and one has the lungs, one has the brain. Here's another lung set, and this is like your intestines and your stomach. And I'm not sure what this one is, but it's pretty. And that set of pins was $3.14, and that is all that I got in my TEMU haul. So all of this stuff, I got 2 sets of cards, I got a fluffy Highland cow, I got a little kitty cat, I got the exploding kitten games, I got a multitude of pins, I got some role-playing dice, and that was all $37 and change. So I think I got a really good deal on all this stuff, because if I had paid regular price for it and not the Temu or Temu, I say Temu, whatever. If it was any other price, I don't think I could have afforded this haul this month. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a fantastic day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.